Hello and welcome to another Pakistani Dimension Spotlight Dataset. This one we're doing subnational population estimates by ethnic group in England. When we came across this website, because all the websites we come across are due to customers asking us to load data, I just thought we are never ever going to finish loading data. I didn't even know this website existed, and it's another source with tons of data in it. Anyway, so what have we got? Data back to 2014 to 2019 so far, 7 million rows of data across two tables. So I've queried both of them. One of them is subnational estimates by ethnic group commissioner. So you've got the commissioner codes there, ethnic groups, you can see all that there. And these are the different ethnicities. And you've got the age groups as well, which is single age bands all the way up to 90. Then we've got subnational estimates by ethnic group LTLA. Those are the LTLA codes. And then you've got the same ethnicity, sex, and age. So that's that. Thanks.